Noun. What is noun? Noun understand the name of person, place and things. Noun, 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materials noun, abstract noun. Proper noun: Subhash is a brilliant boy. Subhash proper noun. Common noun: cow gives us milk. Cow common noun. Collective noun: he joined in this class. Class collective noun. Materials noun: gold is a valuable metal. Gold material noun. Abstract noun: walls in the country is no more. Walls abstract noun. Pronoun instead. Pronoun understand instead of noun, such as Ram is going to school. He is going to school. Rita is eating. She is eating. Reva is singing. She is singing. Verb understand the work or actions, such as go, come, do. She ran fast. She is singing. He goes to the school. He goes to the school. She comes here. Adverb modifies to the verb. She ran fast. Run adverb. He is walking slowly. Slowly adverb. Preposition: it is adding. It is adding to the noun. The fishes are swimming in the river. The fishes are swimming in the river. The apple on the table. In, on, at, if, above, across, beside, between. It is preposition. Conjunction means add to the sentence: and, but, or. He is very honest, but he is very angry. Interjection: it understand the emotional, such as walls in the country is no more. Hooray, I won the match. Please give me subscribes.